Only God can restore this family today. Perhaps you are looking inside your house and seeing only silence, distance, unspoken words, and wounds that seem too deep to heal. Perhaps that union that once existed today seems broken. And in your heart, there is a constant question: is there still a way? I want to tell you something for sure. It works, yes. But it's not because of human strength. It's not because of pride left aside just by one's own effort. It's because of God's intervention. Only God can enter where no one else can. Only God can touch the heart, break the pride, restore love, and rekindle what looked dead. He sees every tear you've ever shed in silence. He knows every prayer you've done without anyone listening. And even though today everything seems distant, God is working. Even if you don't see signs, He has already begun to act. Because when God decides to restore a family, He starts from the inside out. First in the heart, then in attitudes, and then in relationships. Perhaps you need to take the first step in faith. Perhaps it's forgiveness, even without receiving an. Perhaps it's loving, even without being reciprocated. Not because the other person deserves it, but because God is using you as an instrument of restoration. God does not need perfect circumstances to act. He enters the chaos and transforms everything. He takes broken stories and writes new beginnings. He takes wounded families and transforms them into living testimonies of His power. Today could be the day of change. Today could be the beginning of the restoration that you asked for so much. But you have to trust. It is necessary to let God do what you cannot. So close your eyes for a moment and say, God, I give my family into your hands. I can't do it alone, but I know the Lord can. Restores, heals, rebuilds. It works a miracle inside my house. Believe it. God still restores families. God still transforms stories. And what seems impossible to you is already being worked on by Him. Only God can restore this family today. And He will do it.